Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a more relaxed, chilled video. I just want to come on here and talk to you guys about a brand that I am absolutely in love with. Okay, I've known this brand for a very long time. I actually found out about them when I was in uni, and this is what, so let's say 2015, so let's say we're talking 7 years ago, and I have purchased different amazing things from them, given it to friends and families as a gift, purchased a few things for myself, and I just love the brand so much. And I recently did a jewelry declutter, and I just went on this website and purchased loads of jewelry. Okay, maybe not loads, but just I purchased a good number of jewelry, and I wanted to come here and talk to you guys about it. Now, the name of the brand, I probably will murder it because I don't know how. It is spelt Parfois, so however you want to pronounce that. Let's hear what Google will say actually.
Parfois.
Okay, you guys heard it. Parfois. I would say parfois, whatever. I'm not French. I just love this brand. I've given people gifts from them. I've bought like different things, like for example, this wallet here is something I purchased from them while I was in uni. This is when, like, you know, this kind of big purses were in vogue. And it hasn't, when I say this thing has not scratched, I used this thing like every single day back then. But I tell you that there's no scratch on it, there's no wear and tear, even the zip is still working. My current purse as well is also from them. This is my current purse that I'm currently using, and it has this card holder thing that you can take out, right? So sometimes I just go out with this, and sometimes I insert it in here, and I use both of them. And this is what the inside looks like. Such a very beautiful purse, and I've had this now for nearly 3 years actually. Almost 4, to be honest, if we're being honest with each other. I personally love to search for things that are unique. I don't like shopping where everyone shops. It's just not my thing. So I was like, when I thought about sharing this brand or telling you guys about this, I was like, I don't know, because this is my little secret. This has been my little secret for myself, where I get my unique pieces from. But what's the point if I'm not gonna be sharing these things with you guys? Then why am I here, right? Okay, so let's just dive right in and just talk about, you know, what I got. Okay. So the first thing is this amazing bag that I picked up from them. You guys, isn't this beautiful? This particular bag was, let me see, I still have the receipt, so let me so this bag was, there was sale. It was originally $27.99 and I bought it for $25. There was sale on the website. So this is what the bag looks like. You guys can tell that I haven't opened it because I really wanted to show you guys. So it comes with a strap. You guys can see it comes with a strap. Let's close it for a bit. It comes with a strap, and I love the fact that it's silver. If it was gold, it would have been amazing as well, but I just love the silverware on this particular bag. Look at that. This is so beautiful and just so unique. Okay, on to the next thing that I picked up that is not jewelry, is a card purse. My goodness, what is this? When I saw this, I said, I need this. So obviously this is going to replace my current purse, because I don't go about with coins or money here in the UK. I don't know, do you guys still go about with money? I don't carry cash with me. My cards are always my best friend, and this is such an amazing card holder. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Like, they're so unique. I haven't seen anything like this in any other store. So and this, so it comes with, oh my god, how many compartments? So 1 2 3 as well. So you've got a big compartment there, just where this little thing is, and one here and one here. So obviously your coins can go in there if you do that, and cards, however way you want to do it. And this front thing closes first, and then you have your final closure. Isn't this just beautiful? Like, isn't this is something that I feel like Chanel or YSL, all these like big brands will just come up with randomly. See this kind of design and then recreate it and then sell it for like 100, what am I even saying, 600 and something, and we'll rush and get it because it's unique, it's different. Look at this. This is beautiful. Nobody can tell me anything else, okay? That is just so beautiful. How much was that? That was £11.99, like £10. I got it for £10 because of the discount that they had on it. So beautiful. Now let's go to the jewelry. So the first is this amazing shot gold earrings. But how beautiful is this, you guys? How beautiful is this? I haven't seen anything like this in the store, okay? I haven't. This is so beautiful. My goodness. That's one. And then, what is this? You guys, look at how tiny those studs are. I love stud earrings. You guys you probably will not find me with, this is the longest earring you probably find me with. I don't know, I just love stud, simplicity, anything simple, anything that just screams simplicity. Give it, like, just call me, I'll be there, okay? I don't really like, I have purchased like other like big earrings, chunky earrings in the past, and it just we don't vibe together, okay? So I just love this. I think it's a nursing thing. I think because we nurses, I don't know, our profession doesn't permit us to, you know, have the flamboyant things like that, because you won't be able to wear it, and most of the time you spend most of your time at work anyway, so we just go for like little classy things, and this is just so beautiful. What else? Oh, I remember seeing this. I actually thought that it was going to be bigger than this, and on the side it looked bigger than this, so I thought it was going to be bigger. But you know, with this size that it's come in, I am actually not, you know, I like it. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. This is such an amazing earrings. I thought it was going to be like the size of what I'm wearing. This is actually from Quiz. I love pearls, I love like things like this, so this is actually from Quiz. Yeah, so amazing. I just feel like these pieces can go with anything at all, and you're just going to be looking different, looking unique, looking, you know. This particular one, how gorgeous is that, you guys? Tell me it's not gorgeous. Tell me this is not beautiful. I just like, what? Okay, that is it for earrings. Now I picked up 2 bracelets. So I have this one. They on the website they actually wore them together like so, but ever since trying them I'm like, I'll probably just wear them at like one at a time. I don't think I'll do two, even though they're not looking too bad right now. Then I have this bracelet, so beautiful, such an amazing bracelet. I love the moon bit at the bottom there. Gorgeous, isn't it? So nice. And lastly, that's everything in that big box that you saw. Lastly, I picked up a wristwatch from them, and this gold wristwatch. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful. If you do go ahead to check this website out, let me know. Leave a comment section down below. Let me know if you found anything that you like, you love, that you even went ahead to purchase, and tell me in the comment section down below. Don't worry, on this channel, when I find something new that I think you guys will benefit from, I will make sure to bring the tea to this channel. What am I here for? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.